Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 23 blue Ford Transit Connect with our Mini T conversion. Is it time to upgrade to a new vehicle and would like to do some travel and camping? Then a Mini T campervan is great for you. It's 24 to 28 miles to the gallon, drives like a regular vehicle, fits in a standard garage, has a bed in the back, TV, DVD player, microwave, refrigerator, sink, foldable portable toilet, folds into a comfortable couch. This one comes with the awning. Full details can be found on our website, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089. Happy camping!